This is page 9 in the white homework practice packet. We're doing 4 problems together, and then the rest will be your homework. A triangular shaped yard has a base of 25 meters and a height of 12 meters. Well, triangular base shaped yard. Well, I'm a visual learner, so I gotta draw myself a picture. And it has a base of 25 meters and a height, straight up and down, perpendicular to that base, of 12 meters. You don't need to do that. If you're not a visual learner, you don't have to draw that picture. But I do. Then you write the formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Plug in the pieces, 1/2 base times height, and then you calculate. That is 150 meters squared because we're talking about area. Okay, remember area has 1/2 in the formula. Parallelogram, square, and rectangle do not. Parallelogram, square, and rectangle is just base times height. The next one we're going to do is number 7. This one is more like yesterday where we're working backwards. So the perimeter of a square is 220 centimeters. Again, I'm a visual learner, so I draw myself a square. And in a square, I know all 4 sides are the same. So if the perimeter is 220 centimeters, all 4 of these guys all the way around the sides, all 4 of these side lengths added together is going to add up to 220. So 4 of some number adds up to 220. So I just cut 220 into 4 pieces to tell me what the side length is. So the side length is 220 divided by 4. $55 meters per side. And did I answer the question? What is the length of each side? I sure did. 55 meters. So you're just looking at the question, setting up some type of an equation to solve, and then solving it. The next one is number 10. A rectangular piece of paper has a, okay, here I'm going to draw myself a picture again. Rectangular piece of paper has a width of 16 inches and an area of 192 square inches. So I'm working backwards to find a length. So the rules for working backwards is you write the formula. This is a rectangle, so it's just base times height. Plug in the pieces that you know. And here, it said width up here, but that's my base. 16 times height. Solve for h, divide by 16. I think that's 12 inches, if my math is okay. 16 goes into 19 once, with 3 left over. 32, 16 goes into there twice. Yep, so that's right. So the height is 16 inches. The fourth one we're going to do together is on the next page. Number 14. Oh, this is just like the last one. The perimeter of a square is 220 centimeters. Is that what it was last time? If the perimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way around, I don't know what it is, but they're all the same. If 4 of those equal 220, then this is 55. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Wait, this is exactly the same as the last time. Wait, that's not what they're asking. They didn't ask what's the length of the side, they asked what's the area. Oh, so if I have a square, side length, 55, and then this one is 55, area is base times height, or 55 times 55. I do not have my calculator with me. If my husband would help me really quickly by getting me that calculator over there, and then I can do 55 times 55. And that is 3,025 centimeters squared. So the only difference here was I wasn't done when I found the length of a side. Always make sure you're reading to see what to do next. The rest of the problems, 1 through 16, is your homework.